Yeah, looks like fun. Put the machines away, let Mother Nature do her thing. Hopefully,
Yeah,
Darla, hopefully be cold enough to stick around, huh?
Yeah, I think so. I think for the next couple of days, at least, we're going to see colder air moving in, and that means some snow at the higher elevations, which is a good thing. And then after that, things do warm up, though, Tony.
Okay.
I'll have that 7-day forecast in a little bit. But let's go outside right now, take a look to see how things are shaping up as we take a look from our Holiday Inn camera, looking at the G1C. And yeah, clouds cover out there, no rain just yet across our region. Temperatures right now, though, it is a little mild out. 57 degrees in Sacramento right now, 59 in Stockton, 58 in Modesto and Marysville. And the winds and humidity levels, winds are calm, humidity's at 59%, barometer is at 29.97 and falling as we get that low moving closer. And this frontal band, this is what's going to move inland to bring the heavy rain overnight, as well as kick up those winds for us as well, say shortly after midnight. The rain showers right now still just off the San Francisco coast. Actually, some light rain moving in across San Francisco at this hour. I say around 7, 8 o'clock, we'll start to see that rain pushing into the valley locations. But the heavier rain and the stronger winds will come, as I mentioned, after midnight as that front passes across the area. Now, we'll see the Futurecast model picking up some light rain activity, just say on the west side of the valley, Yuba City, Chico area, also into Auburn. We'll start to pick up some light rain, as well as some light snow moving across the region. Now, as that colder air moves in, we're going to see snow levels at around 5,500 to 6,500 feet. But once that frontal band passes, that warmer air, we're going to see the snow level rising to right around the pass level and 8,000 feet and above. And that's where we could see up to 18 inches of snow above 8,000 feet. The heaviest rain will start to come, say, between 11 and midnight, and will stick around until about 1 or 2 in the morning. And even tomorrow morning's commute, we are going to see a chance for some shower activity across the area, and the snow showers will begin to taper off at times. But carry those chains with you, because we will have some chain controls at times across the high country. Through the lunch hour, still some light shower activity across the area, and light rain still in some spots for the evening commute. Now, we will see lighter winds moving into the region tomorrow evening, and that the moisture in the air, we could see some fog developing by Wednesday morning. So this is what we can expect: 1/4 to 2 inches of rain along the coastal locations, 1/2 to 1.5 inches in the valley, and the foothills 1 to 3 inches, and in the high country, as I mentioned, up to 16 to 18 inches of snow in the Sierra. So definitely take those chains with you. I will be back with that 7-day forecast, because we're going to go from temperatures well below average to right around average. Elizabeth?
All right, thanks, Darla.